About 4 years ago, I kept asking myself, why do I always get infection? Why my body doesn't recover like others? So back in the Philippines, I would easily get sick again and again. Every time I went to the doctor, I was only given inhalers and repeated antibiotics. At first, they thought it was just an asthma. But later, it progressed into a serious lung condition called bronchiectasis. But even then, no one could tell me the real reason why I keep having this recurrent infection. But with God's great plan, my journey brought me here to Canada. So after all the tests I've done, they found out that I have this rare condition called CVID, or common variable immunodeficiency. It's an immune disorder where the body doesn't produce enough antibody to fight infection. So because of my CVID, I would get sick over and over again. So sadly, those repeated infection that I got leaves a permanent marks and scar to my lungs. So yeah, so it's called bronchiectasis, where my lung airway is widened, weakened, and sometimes it fills with mucus and make it even harder to breathe. That's why my lung function went to 19%. It hasn't been easy. It's heavy burden. But I share my story to remind people that if you or someone keeps getting sick with no clear reason, don't ignore it. Ask question, seek for answer, and fight for a proper care. And as for me, I will keep fighting too. Because every breath I take is a blessing from God.